Do you want to know the amazing things honey and cinnamon can do in your body? Are you aware that honey is a healthier alternative to refined sugar? Do you know that cinnamon is much more than just a spice? Combination of cinnamon and honey have been proven to have a lot of medicinal benefits with no side effect. Honey is another super ingredient loaded with nutrients like zinc and potassium. These two superfoods are high in antioxidants and protect the body cells from destructive agents. Taking your body on a diet with these medicinal wonders for 7 days would go a long way in creating wonders in your general health. In today's video, Silva Guide will be revealing to you the unique healing abilities of this combination. But before we start, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification to be notified each time we upload. Number 1. Boost your immune system. In order to fight bacterial infection and diseases, your immune system needs to stay strong. Regular use of cinnamon honey concoction can boost your immune level. Not only does it flush out harmful substances from your body, but also keeps your body active and safe from infections in your environment. Number 2. Energy booster. Feeling tired and need something to spark up your energy? 2 teaspoons of honey and cinnamon in warm water is that natural energy drink you shouldn't take off your desk. It keeps you refreshed all through the day. Number 3. Cure for allergies. The pollen in honey builds and strengthens your tolerance level, while cinnamon has abundant essential oils that cure various allergies. Consuming half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of honey together produce the best effect you'll need to cure your allergies. Scientifically, it has been discovered that taking this combination 3 times daily can cure chronic allergies. Finding the list interesting? Subscribe and watch to the end to find out the wonders this combination can do to your body in 7 days. Number 4. Lowers the risk of heart diseases. Clogged up arteries increase your chances of having heart diseases. The blood in our circulatory system travels around our body in an enclosed tube called blood vessels. Any blockage in this path of blood circulation will affect the heart, the engine of the body. But including the combination of honey and cinnamon in your everyday diet will help clear blocked arteries and allow flow of blood in and out of the heart, thus keeping the heart in good working condition. Number 5. Good for diabetes. Your food does not need to be distasteful because you're not taking sugar. Research has shown that honey is a perfect alternative for refined sugar in diabetic patients' diet. When honey and cinnamon are consumed together, they tend to lower blood sugar level. Number 6. Good for common cold. When you catch a cold, think of cinnamon and honey. Taking 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of lukewarm honey will help lessen the growth of different bacteria that cause common colds and speed your recovery. Number 7. Weight loss. Struggling to lose some weight? Drinking cinnamon honey concoction every day for a week is one secret wonder that will help you lose weight, as it prevents building up of unhealthy fat in your body. Number 8. Bad breath. Gargling 1 teaspoon of honey and cinnamon powder mixed in hot water every morning gives you fresh breath throughout the day. Enjoy the video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to get updates of our new videos. Thanks for watching!